I'm here with my associate Sam. I'm gonna be backtesting QQQ and Spy, and I'm gonna go over it pretty quickly because me and Sam are just trying to fucking chill. Too aggressive?
No, that was good.
Hey, okay, good. Okay, so I'm looking at the day chart, and I'm gonna just backtest on the day chart so I can pretend I'm just gonna be doing candle by candle day trades from just looking at a day chart, right? Right. Okay, here we go. Bullish July, Tuesday 23. So this is a year ago. I can see this happen. At some point, there's going to be a breakdownward because we're staring at a bearish SMT setup just from previous price action. I assume that downward wick right there is this previous day bearishness being held, but I'll place one sell order, see if I'm right. Okay, I'm right. Should I hold it for another day? Break even. I think I'm going to get out with a little bit of profit because the initial belief is that it would be a continuation of bearishness. So we see it trickle a little bit, go long here after that bullish day, I feel. I'm down, I'm just saying. I think it has more room to run. Okay, I'm getting out. After that, say if this is options market, I'm getting fucked. So right now, like you can look at the number, but I'm breaking even. I'm pretty much 1 for 1. But I'm not gonna call it out every time. This is bearish wick. Very bearish wick. Seems like a little bit downward momentum. I see there being a slight pullback for 1 day. There you go. And then that's bullish engulfing. It's in a zone of liquidity. There we go. We'll take that. We're pretty much breaking even in price right now. I see these top wicking candles, meaning the run lost its momentum. It could gap up here. I'll take that 1 day. It gapped up. So I should have got out on the day. I got greedy. Say I rolled the contract, right? Oh, I just buy it back. Yeah. What am I saying? So just to make it. So look, it tests this resistance level, and I'd say this is a key resistance level because the past 2 weeks it's been trying to break it. That upward candle and this lack of bearish momentum here. Something's telling me to full port long. There we go. I should have held for another day. I could have rolled that. If it breaks through here, it's going to be a large break, but it's currently at the resistance level. So, just from historic data, it would be smart to go short here. It breaks. I'm going to get out. And then I can roll to long, right? Let's inverse my position long. There we go. And since it's breaking range, I could ride this for a few days. As long as it doesn't go below this previous support zone, then I could hold here and just keep rolling, even if I'd be down, right? So say I roll for an entire week. My contract gain $3. Look at that. I'd get out here. I'm losing. Let's make these lots bigger so these numbers are more cool to watch. Right? Fuck that. I think okay, here's the problem. Since it's testing the zone, this could be a launch pad, or it could just propel this downward. I'm judging for this SMT setup we had here, and then this previous high here, and price consolidating above where current price is from external range liquidity. I feel like since we're like on a day chart, this is a current place where people would like to get in, right? Look at that, 18 grand, right? So get out of that in a day. So bigger numbers makes it more cool. So bearishness, I got out perfectly because that meant the next 3 days I would have been riding lows. I got a bullish doji. This could be the bottom here. Look at that. Bullish doji signaling the bottom on this next day. It seems like it ran the entirety of that day. So I'll get out here. So QQQ, just off of price action, aren't really doing much. Forms a new low on this bearish, and it closes at the order block of the low and close of the previous day. It's going to struggle in this zone, I feel. Consolidation's a potential. But completely breaks out of it. Wicking, touching the bottom. This is bullish momentum. The previous day was a slight run. And that top wick is telling me not to go long, but I do feel like, oh yeah, I should listen to that top wick right there. Look at that. I can roll. Yeah, I'll roll. So I'm holding red for 1 day. I'm collecting green the next 3. Run it. So it has 2 zones of external liquidity. I can play that out, see what that looks like. And then just to play around, we'll set a stop loss at one zone, and then we'll take the TP at the top. This is roughly a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So hopefully it touches the take profit. That's what we're looking for. Sell. So I sold for a loss. But this gap down, I'm signaling bullish. I can do the stop loss, the previous order block, take profit, top of this. I'm ultimately bullish on all of these tickers on a normal day. Don't touch my stop loss. I'm gonna let it run. This is why I hate stop losses. So it's got 3 more zones. Now I'm in the red. This is ruining my thing. I'll do 14 for the loss. Since there's so much external liquidity here, giving the historic data, right? Got this higher high, lower high, like lower low, higher low, lower high, and then lower low. So that's like an SMT setup for some bullishness as it hits right there, but we could be fucked here. Oh, look at this. So it breaks all of these external zones of liquidity. I'm inversing completely here, even though it does have room to go backwards. So just watch. This is where I feel like the money's coming. Fuck. My stop got hit. No, my stop's still there. Holy shit. Fuck. Look at that. I lost 15. Oh my goodness. I'm going to let it run. All I need is one good trade. One good trade to get me back in the green here. Look at this. This gap, it needs to get filled, so I can go long. Fuck ton. Fuck it. Okay, I'll take that 88. I'll take all of that. I'll take most of that and leave one in to run. Look at that. Okay. I'd buy again. Averaging down, basically. So my stop loss halfway here. This would have been a crazy fucking week, I feel. Look at that. Please touch my take profit. I'm buying more, averaging down. There we go. 72. I'd be in the green. I sell a few, right? Let me get me to the green first before I'll get in the green a little bit more. I want my take profit to get hit. It's going to hit my stop. Oh my God. I hate this. Failed true. See, this is killing my average. I'm going to go candle by candle again. Fucking sell. There we go. Buy. I'm going to just do day by day. Get this P&L back. There we go. I think because of that, we might see another 2 candles. So I'll take the red. I don't trust that. I'll go short here. Fuck. Take the red. Breaking even. Go short again. Fuck. Fucking tits. I'm losing. Buy that back. This gap down is going to be tested. I'm on a short bias for some reason. Fuck. That short bias is killing me. Being a bear in a bull market. That's kind of what I'm doing. Being a retard, basically. Fuck. Fuck. P&L's getting fucked. It's all good. Unload. This is how you lose everything. Shit. Get out. Get out. That's a bearish S&T setup in front of everyone's eyes. Yeah. Yeah. Get out. I think it has room to run. Run, junkie. Fucking tits. Stop loss. This is why we have stop losses, people. So look at my price. So it's percolating. I think this external range is being attacked heavy right now. Let's let this cunt run. There we go. 2 days and I'm happy man again. I'm averaging up. Let it run. I'm holding this. Yeah, I'm rolling. Your boy's rolling after that. I'm rolling. I'm just going to roll the whole time. Look at that. Just one trade, boys. One trade. So, sell. Look at this. I can just sell. Sell. I want to get out, yeah. Come on. Give me, oh. Run. Yeah. So, I can buy a little bit more. I can buy it to the point where my stop loss is right here, or my take profit's all the way up here, and my stop loss is at the bottom of this order block, I feel. There we go. Or honestly, we'll just buy a little bit more so it averages, and then the stop loss will be like right here. So say we wanted to just average up, right? Let's let around. Take profit behind me. Look at that. 2 months of red, 1 month of big green. All it takes. All right, let's close out this replay. Oh, it's not going to give me my it's not going to give me my percentage. Interesting. I don't know how that happened. It's all good. We'll do SPY and we'll make sure we click out of the replay way all the way till today. So I'll just cover like 5 taker. I'll do these few days right here. So it's like, honestly, I'll go a little bit further back. Yes, I want to exit replay mode. I'll go a little bit further back. So like, it's like a little chilling. Little chiller. And I'll do analysis, right? Okay. Everything's telling me to go long so far. Look at this. We got this nice. Okay, actually, the top of this wick on this day, the high being 519.48, enters this external range liquidity, taps it, and then immediately trickles a little bit down. And then you have a low range liquidity that has been tested twice and has been held. So I'll wait for price to trickle here, and then I'll get in long. I go in long. Fuck. Holding red, I'll sell. Holding red for 2 days, right? You're rolling red contracts. You're burning money there. Yeah. Okay. So look at this. Bad trade. Bearish momentum. Creates a new. See how like I question myself? This gets broken. I'm glad I didn't make that trade. I'm glad I didn't. A new low. This candle. New high wicking into these order blocks. Right? And this is the day chart. So I'm doing candle by candle. There's more external range liquidity here. I'm wrong. Even though there was more external. And now there's a lot more. So new low. There we go. That's a pretty balanced wick. I'm getting in on that. I'm getting a lot on that. That's telling me there's a momentum shift. I'm gonna set my stop loss to the top of this wick. I'm gonna set my take profit to the high over here, external range, and then I'm gonna average up. So my entry is right here, and then I can place my stop at these order blocks. Right? Okay, here we go. Let's let it run. Oh god. There we go. Come on. I'm in the red here. I'd like to hold this position, so I'll set my stop a little bit lower. Like at the bottom of this wick, but I do not see him going lower. I will hold through red. There we go. Take profit. I'm up $100. So we got a new external range liquidity. Top of this. It's attacking the zone again. It has room to go past this zone, and given the amount it's been attacking it, I can assume that you've got a lot of bearishness. But it's setting up a very good bearish SMT. So I'm going to get a day of data. It's bearish. I was right, but not bearish enough for it to go below the previous day. So I'm going to go long with that data right there and see that there's a new external range of liquidity that it could attack, and then that being a low range. So I'll set my stop right here at this zone, and then I'm going to take profit right here at that zone with that red. There we go. Another good trade. More data going through the day. Breaks the zone. Out here from one candle, the high is upward even though it was a bearish day. These two bearish candles are signaling, since it's a high and it's broken external range liquidity. We're on sell side liquidity from just historic data, but this is a break of range, so you never know exactly, right? So I'd say going in short here could be smart. No, that was completely wrong. It breaks range, and that looks like a very big, strong momentum shift. I think this is where I'd enter long, given that it's testing this in one day. It didn't engulf the entirety of the day before. So I can set my stop loss to that wick from that data, and then I set my take profit all the way up here, just like above the wick, right? Assuming that's going to continue this trend. There you go. Take profit. Come on. Sell. So good thing I had a stop loss, because I would have lost a lot of money. But it seems like this is bearish engulfing. I think anyone here would kind of consider that that's a sell. There you go. I'm going to set my stop loss all the way over here, top of this external range. And then I'm going to set it down here, being pretty ambitious, right? There we go. So we had a buy. We lost that trade. Going in long. Breaking external range again. Holding red for 2 days. Getting out for a few dollars. I'm pretending each one thing I buy is a contract. Assuming, right? There we go. So I'd roll these. So an idea is I said stop here. Take profit as much as honestly, no take profit, because I can just roll. I'm not expecting it to get to a zone. I'm just going to keep it running until I'm happy. Okay, 66% win rate. I think that's pretty good. But that should be it for the video. See you boys.